In the fast-paced world of 2024, effective collaboration is the key to success, and having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 collaboration tools that are revolutionizing teamwork across industries. At number 5, we have Miro, the virtual whiteboard that has taken brainstorming sessions to new heights. With its seamless integrations and user-friendly interface, Miro has become a staple for creative teams worldwide. Coming in at number 4 is Monday.com, the project management powerhouse that's keeping teams organized and on track. From software development to marketing campaigns, Monday.com ensures every project runs like a well-oiled machine. Nabbing the third spot is Zoom, the video conferencing solution that's redefining remote collaboration. With its cutting-edge technology, Zoom has made distance feel like an afterthought, bringing teams closer together than ever before. At number 2, we have Google Workspace, the all-in-one platform that's revolutionizing document collaboration and knowledge sharing. Whether you're working on proposals, contracts, or research papers, Google Workspace ensures seamless collaboration every step of the way. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is Microsoft Teams, the powerful communication and collaboration hub. With its comprehensive features and seamless integration with Office 365, Teams has become the go-to solution for teams of all sizes, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity like never before. In the ever-evolving landscape of 2024, these top 5 collaboration tools, Miro, Monday.com, Zoom, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams, are empowering teams to thrive, fostering innovation, and driving businesses forward. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of teamwork.